Hello, hi. My name is Gena. I'm from Ukraine, and I have my own business online. So I would like to offer you a proposal to become my partner. Why I'm doing this? First of all, I need traffic, as we all, and I know that you got a good email list, yeah. And please take a look with what we can offer to your list. First of all, I offer a partnership to you. So I ask you, please let me promote my business to your group members, Facebook group members, or to your list, or you can send your list an email with proposal. You'll get 50% of commission for life from all these products. And first of all, this is very great proposal for your group because they can start using these products for free. Okay, what exactly I'm offering? This is exactly done for your business. Okay, we offer done for you high converting products, done for you lead capture pages, done for your tracking system, email follow-ups, and even traffic. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. As you can see, there are a lot of sales funnels here. It looks like this, for example, when you register, and I will give you this link. So please register for free. Take a look what it looks like inside. And you will see that this is a really great product. This is done for you sales funnel, for example, for one of the products, okay? And when you open it, you will see opt-in for, okay? And this is how it's working. Actually, you will also have access to your referrals, to your affiliates, to your commissions, all the stats, possibility to work with tracking links inside of this system, and much more. Okay, but I actually prepared this page for you, so please take a look at it. And also please watch my webinar where I explain how to use it. Hi guys, and if you like my proposal, please simply press this link, register to get instant access inside. And also please get in touch with me by Skype. Okay, have a nice day. I hope to hear from you.